Double-click the installer to begin the installation of Docker Desktop. Once installed, open Docker Desktop. Add the Portainer extension using the Add Extensions button in the left-hand menu. Search Portainer and click Install. Open Portainer and select Get Started. Select Local from the list of environments. Open Stacks from either this screen or from the Portainer sidebar under Local. In Stacks, we want to add stack. Enter Sandbox for the name. Select Upload and select File. Navigate to the Docker Compose YAML file and select it. Scroll to the bottom and click Deploy this stack. This will take a few minutes to complete. While it is deploying, navigate back to Stacks. A message will appear in the top right alerting you when it was successfully deployed. On the Stacks page, select Sandbox. Navigate to Sandbox Drupal 1 and select the paper icon under Quick Actions. Scroll down to view the logs. Once complete, you will see in the logs, Install completed. This usually takes between 10 to 15 minutes, but may take longer or shorter depending on your computer's hardware. Once the install is complete, open your browser, and in the address bar, type islandora.io to access the starter site. Log in with the username admin and the password to gain full access to starter site.